introduction. Some boy told me.
Oh dear, for someone as obtuse as you, I'll have to engineer something extra clear. Look here. Frankly, you are such a stubborn toad. I'm not really holding out much hope, even with my magic. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see.
What's this? You giving up so soon? You gotta have a little gumption. Yeah, a can-do kind of attitude. Take it from a gull who knows. You got me. You see his face. In terms of beauty, I'm a basket case. And as for style and savoir-faire, well, an expert rate. A whole lot there, yeah, although perhaps it makes no sense. I shrug my stuff with lots of confidence. Cause all I lack an awful lot. There is one thing I got positivity. I got positivity. It gives me the zam and the zow and the yada. That's why I walk with a wiggle in my model. Cause once you've heard that word, there ain't nothing you can do. So let that positivity work for you. See with the bip and the bop and the bop bop boo. You can flip and clap till your wish comes true. The tip is the tap into something that you believe. Cause with the zig and the zug and the zizz and the zings, and now you know that word, there ain't nothing you can do. So go get some positivity. You can bet on positricity. And just let that positrinity, no, positronity, positronity, is it, what is it? Positivity, positively work on.
I can see that you've got quite a mind for your age. Why, one think, and you dragged me right onto the stage. Now I'm here, there is no telling what may ensue. With a cat such as me, and a thinker like you. Oh, the thinks you can think. Oh, the thinks you can think. If you're willing to try. Think invisible ink, or a king with a stink, or a stare to the sky. If you open your mind, oh, the things you will find, lining up to get loose. Oh, the things you can think when you think about Zeus. Zeus. Zeus.
Parker, of course. I always had a hunch it might be you. Let's see how you measure up.
But I don't know the first thing about how a factory works.
Perfect. You're absolutely perfect.
And I don't have a clue of what a chocolatier must do.
Well, Charlie Bucket, if you did, then you wouldn't be a kid. It's all the things you aren't that make you what you are. It's what you do not own that sets you free. It's the lessons to unlearn. It's the corners not yet turned that make you, you, and a little me. The sculptor wants no hardened clay. He wants his mud to bend and sway. And that is what a child can do. But not just any careless child who rattles for the grass or wash. So aren't you glad upon review that Charlie Bucket, I chose you?
Yes, it's quite an honour, but I'm still a bit at sea.
Off by then. Just my boy.
And I never dreamed this day could ever start and end this way.
It's the dreams you've yet to dream that grow in your whipping cream. It's all the things you aren't that make you what you are. And that's what makes you just my cup of tea. It's your percolating mind. It's your ears still wet behind. That make you, you, and a little me. The factory's yours, yes, that's your prize. You've got a boss who's just outside. And what a treat to watch you rise. A chocolate comic in a set with spots of sweets you'll soon invent. Any journey worth a slip must begin with one small step. Yes, it's all the things you aren't that make you what you are. Illegal ways and things you've yet to see. It's the schemes you get to make. It's the leap you get to take that makes you you. Wonka through and through. That makes you you. And in the middle of a riddle where a kid will be a little. Yes, we agree, gone a little.
There be a place where nothing is not Should there be a place where anything goes? Or shouldn't and can't and don't and mustn't and ought evaporate? And fun's the only biz. Guess what? There is Pleasure Island, Pleasure Island. It's that what's for supper candy cake and island. See that window, why not break it? See that toy there, I'll just take it. And you'll never have a lesson or a chore to do. Rules and limits, it's kiss goodbye land. Pleasure Island, welcome to. Would you like to play and party forever? Would you like to fight and frolic and fuss? To stomp in the mud and get real dirty and never apologize? Is that your sort of thing? Then sing with us. Wouldn't you like an extra scary adventure? Wouldn't you like a special sort of a thrill? You bet! The kind of a ride you scream and holler and clench your eyes real tight. Clench your eyes real tight. More scared than you'd admit. Well, this is it. Pleasure Island, Pleasure Island. As we leave you with a smile, this Pleasure Island memory.
What's more? Quite likely there's 2, even 3, even 4.
Like the boys, like some others, like the Wickersham brothers.
Oh, he's the biggest black fool in the jungle of Nool, and monkeys like us should know. Creeping out on a limb, looking down on him, and he's fat, he's dumb.
He's slow.
Elephants ain't too swift as a rule, but he's the biggest black fool in the jungle of Nool. 'Cause he's talking to his back, talking to his back, to his back, and that's like
Fool in the jungle of Nool.
talking to his back, talking to his back, to his back, and that's like
Fool in the jungle of Nool.
R-E-S-P-E-C-K. Oh, please take that speck away. Did you hear? Did you hear? Did you hear?
I just have to save them because after all, a person's a person, no matter